Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Ifeolua. I'll be your coach for this course. I want to welcome you to this course, and I believe you have made the right decision by buying this course. Introduction to WordPress for beginner. And I would want to encourage you to put in the work, the effort, and everything you have to do to gain from this course. So I'm assuring you, if you can pay attention, do your own personal research and practice, in few weeks time, even when you are smart, in few days, you should be able to design website using WordPress. And in no time, you will be handling projects for businesses, brands and individuals, both in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. So let's go as I show you how you can design website using WordPress. Thank you. So this is the course outline on what you are going to learn about this course. You can easily come here to make a direct reference or revision to whatever you want to know. Introduction to WordPress. What is WordPress? Why you should use WordPress for your design. How you can set WordPress up, how you can choose a domain name and hosting provider, how to install WordPress, navigating the WordPress dashboard, customizing your site, choosing and installing a theme, customizing your site appearance and so on. Also troubleshooting plugin conflicts, getting help and support. And one of the major thing you are going to learn on this course is how you can optimize SEO for your site. SEO is a major thing that should be put in place when you design your website. When there is no proper SEO arrangement, your WordPress might not be visible enough for the right audience. And when it is not visible enough, what's the essence? When it is not reaching the targeted audience. So those are the things you are going to learn in this course. So what are the tools you need? The requirements: a basic computer skill. You can operate a desktop computer, your laptop on or your phone. So you can easily use WordPress on your phone at any point. You can design any kind of website with your phone. So even if you don't have a laptop, with your good Android phone, you are good to go. So and if you are buoyant enough, like you have enough money to buy a domain name and a hosting provider also. So there are cheap domain and hosting platform where you can easily purchase. Maybe if you are an aspiring business owner, it's an advantage for you to have a website for your business, and having a hosting name and a domain name and hosting platform for this course will enable you to practice. So there are some videos that you are going to be seeing in this course eventually, practical videos on how to install WordPress and all that. So when you have your own platform, you can easily go there and do it on your own. And practicing it will make you to easily have a perfected skill. Like you'll be able to know it on time when you practice. So but it is optional. You can buy your domain and your hosting later. So it is optional. So we are now at introduction to WordPress. What is WordPress? It is a powerful and widely used content management system. It allows you to create, manage and customize your website without requiring extensive coding knowledge. Even apart from having an extensive, if you have no knowledge about coding, you can easily use WordPress. It's just like when you are operating and setting your, maybe your Instagram account, your Twitter account in a little more complex manner, but WordPress is very friendly and user friendly. That is open. That's why they call it open source platform. It is open to like so many options which anybody can easily relate with. It was launched in 2003 as a blogging platform. So but now it's not just for blogging. You can virtually do everything on WordPress. Either you can code or not. You can easily modify, distribute, and everyone is open to use WordPress. Either you are a graduate or not, you can easily use your WordPress. And we have two type of version: wordpress.org, a self-hosted version. That means you host your WordPress, you host your website with the WordPress platform. Hosting it with them will give you more control over your website, and you will be able to customize. Though you have to have a hosting and a domain platform, but the thing is, that means you have a direct account with WordPress. That is when wordpress.org comes in. But you see, this wordpress.com is just like having access to the back end. When you install your WordPress through your cPanel, you are on the wordpress.com platform. It's just a slight difference. So these are the two versions of WordPress that we have. Why you should learn WordPress website design? There are so many ways you can design or develop your website. We have platform like Wix, Shopify, platform where they do all this e-commerce website. E-commerce website is a website where you sell your product, you upload your product, people buy from your website, make payments from your website. Those are e-commerce platform. And you can design your website. We have so many AI platforms that you can even design website now, though they are not functional as it should be. So they are just there. And you can design your website with the UI UX knowledge, you know, where you can use Figma or Adobe XD to design your website, and you give it to your developer to bring it to life for you. But those are complex. Apart from when you are designing your website on Figma, it's required more knowledge, more stress than WordPress, that is very easy to use. And if you are not a developer, you have to like pay a developer to perfect the work on your website. I mean your developer will bring it to life. So why should you learn WordPress design? It is easy to learn and use, beginner friendly. Like I said, anybody can easily relate with the interface. So far you can read and write, and you have good understanding of English words, you can easily use WordPress. It is high in demand. Business and individuals all over the world, they use WordPress. So many of the major websites that you are seeing, they are designed with WordPress. Major e-commerce sites all over the world, especially those platform where they buy and sell, WordPress is the best platform to avoid any form of complexity and anything that might go wrong. So and it is flexible, easy to customize. Making changes on WordPress is very easy. There are so many thousands of themes and plugins that have made your work that will make your work easy on WordPress, and it is SEO friendly. You know, when you use your WordPress, it is very friendly with SEO. There are so many SEO platforms connected with WordPress that can easily boost the visibility and the functionality of your site. Most of those platform where they use coding and all that to like develop the website, they are not SEO friendly, but these are the things you can gain from WordPress, and it is cost effective, quite cheaper than hiring a developer. Getting a developer is not a small money, and even after your developer finish working on your website, you are still going to be paying your developer for main ten ance and like fixing bugs and anything that might go wrong with the website. So but WordPress is very very like cheap for anybody to have access to. It has given so many job opportunity, freelancing. Even if you have another major career, you can be a designer, getting jobs as a freelancer, and you be earning your money. You can work remotely. So these are the things, main reason, and so many other reason where why you should use WordPress to learn website. As time goes on, as you are learning and you are becoming a professional, you will see that WordPress is one of the, if not the best option for you to design your website. So without wasting much of our time, just like take your time and read this bullet point on why you should use WordPress to design your site. It's an inspiration to like boost your confidence and your interest to use WordPress to design your website. So read them one after the other, and so that you'll be able to relate with the reasons why you should use WordPress for your website. It is user friendly, easy to learn, SEO friendly, like I said, highly customizable, mobile responsive. It is scalable and versatile, secure and regularly updated. Back to the mobile responsive. Your WordPress, your website must be mobile responsive. People go about with their phones. Nobody It's not everybody that is going about with their laptops and computers. So when I'm searching something on the phone, I'm searching about a particular inquiry, and your website pops up on my mobile phone, I should be able to navigate easily and see whatever information I want to see on your website on time. Your website should load on time, not as if I will get to a website and I'll be taking 2 minutes or 1 minute before the website will come up. So those are the reasons why you should use WordPress. You should use WordPress, yes, to design your website, because it is mobile friendly. People are going about with their mobile phones. They get information on the go with their mobile phones. It will be very disappointing if your website is not mobile friendly. Maybe it's only when they set your website on a desktop or a laptop, that is when your website will now respond. So you should take note of that. Mobile friendly platform, mobile friendly, yes, your website should be mobile friendly.